name is Işık Berfin, and my mom is Özden Öztoprak. We're both musicians since we were both 7. My mom started at 6. My mom is a graduate from İTÜ Conservatoire in Turkey, and I remember when I was 4 years old, she would come home and just rehearse on the bağlama, and I would just pick up the bağlama and just play whatever I wanted afterwards. And my grandfather, he was the one that was the actual musician, starting from my great-grandfather, and then it led down to the family itself. And later on within the years, as I started singing, I started picking more up from my mom, and I started with ACTA about 7 or 8 years ago. And I started playing the daf. I fell in love with it immediately. It's an Iranian instrument, it's a percussion. When I was about 13 and I started playing it. And we're Alevi, we're actually Zazas. So we're from Dersim Ovacık. And we have, our culture is, Alevi, so we try our best to keep that culture going today. And most of the songs that we're gonna sing today is the genocides that happened back in 1938 in Dersim. And we don't really have, as Kurds too, we don't have a lot of freedom of speech in Turkey. So we try expressing our emotions and what we go through music, and I feel like music is the thing that lets you live on forever. It lives on forever. It's an ideology as well. And yeah, so today a lot of the songs, it's gonna be about genocides of love as well that happens in between the genocides that we have to leave people back home. And in one of the songs, I'm gonna be speaking of the countries in Kurdistan that is being bombed right now as I'm talking, and we hope that you enjoy.
Sarabun sarabia, şardıkın sarabia.